position. You repeatedly said that today will be a public holiday to join the young people. What was the plan? You've already mentioned laying of wreaths, which appears, or so far looks like, may not happen. But what did the opposition have in mind when you declared today a public holiday?
Because of heavy remembrance. This is not the usual type of remembrance. In 2023, we are not even allowed to come to a church like this, and we really must thank the Catholic Church for their magnanimity and their sense of understanding. In fact, we understand that on the 29th, all the Catholic faithfuls and the Catholic Church, we heard this from Archbishops Anyolo and Moheria and others, will be commemorating this event. Therefore, it was out of a sense of duty and a sense of nationhood that we declared this a public holiday. We didn't want to gain cheap political mileage because we are not the type to do so. It is out of a deep sense of commitment to this country and the welfare and the future of this country that we made those announcements.
Noah Kipkemboy from KTN.
Yes, no.
My question is sort of calling to order the political class. And I know we don't want to mention classes in this particular situation, but this issue of goons, it is an economic disparity question and people taking advantage of that disparity and utilizing people against its own people. Call to order the political class in this issue of goons, please, sir.
Goons. I'm told even the international community have actually accepted that terminology. In their very strongly worded statement yesterday, they have come out and called out because they are partners. I've seen an attempt by chairman of a committee in parliament trying to say, non-interference. When it comes to the issue, and here I speak to you as senior counsel and a leader in this country, when it comes to and a former foreign minister, I can tell you this. When it comes to the issue of human rights, they are universal. You cannot run to a corner there called Kenya and plead non-interference. You cannot even talk about Vienna Declaration, right? Because this is a matter that was canvassed seriously before the floor of the United Nations General Assembly and agreed that when it comes to the issue of human rights, particularly basic, and the beauty about our Constitution, 2010, is so strong on the issue of basic rights. That's why I saw somebody when we went to church with Mheshimiwa Eugene and our other friends there. A gentleman walked inside there carrying a poster. And he said, hawkers' rights are also human rights.
Correct.
Why shoot a dead and hawker? Why? Why shoot him? All right? We still continue to pray for Kamau, that God will have mercy on that young man and the family. I listened to the cries of his mother, distraught. They are not able to talk to him, and so we want to plead that and thank the hospital, Kenyatta National Hospital, for trying to help him, carrying out 2 operations.
Erokamano Sharon.